Welcome to the overview of Progressive Trading Solutions, or PTS. Developed by PMS Private Limited, this comprehensive ERP system is designed to streamline and centralize your business operations. By integrating key departments, including accounts, payroll, purchase, sales, inventory, production, and user management, into one unified platform, PTS significantly improves organizational efficiency and ensures highly accurate record management. Let's take a closer look at the core modules that make this system the backbone of a modern business. First of all, we have Accounts module. Accounts module is the backbone of the system because it manages all financial activities of the organization. It includes forms such as chart of accounts, accounts binding, cash payment, cash received, bank payment, bank received, journal entry, and opening balances. Through these forms, the company can record daily transactions, payments, receipts, and account balances. Financial reports. It provides important financial reports such as cash book, day book, general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, profit/loss report, balance sheet, and trial balance. Management reports. These reports help management in decision-making and ensure accurate financial control. Further, we have Purchase module. This module manages all purchasing operations of the business. It includes forms such as purchase order, purchase invoice, purchase return invoice, and supplier information. It helps the company record purchases from suppliers, returns, and supplier details. Its reports include supplier-wise purchase, specific type purchase, specific item purchase, purchase order status, purchase book, purchase return, supplier balance, and list of suppliers. This module ensures proper purchasing control and supplier management. Next, we have Sales module. The Sales module handles all sales transactions and customer dealings. It includes forms such as sale order, sale invoice, sale return invoice, and customer information. Through this module, the company can manage orders, invoices, returns, and customer records. It provides reports like customer-wise sale, sale order status, sale invoice detail, sale book, cash sale detail, sale return detail, cash sale return detail, and list of customers. This module helps increase efficiency in sales operations and customer service. Now we have Inventory module. This module is used to control stock and product management. It includes forms such as product categories, product units, product registration, opening stock, and inventory adjustment. It helps maintain product records, stock quantities, units, and stock opening balances. Reports include list of product types, list of products, list of units, and available inventory. This module ensures that stock levels remain accurate and updated. Further, we have Payroll module. Payroll module manages all employee-related activities within the organization. It includes forms such as employee registration, advance to employee, advance return, loan to employee, loan return, employee attendance, salary sheet, overtime, holiday department, and designation. It generates reports like advance summary, loan summary, attendance sheet, attendance register, and employee attendance sheet. This module helps in managing staff records and salaries efficiently. Next, we have Production module. This module is specifically used for manufacturing and production processes. It includes forms such as bill of material, manufacturing project, stock issue, stock receive, and additional material. Its reports include inventory issue detail and inventory receive detail. This module helps in controlling production activities and material usage. At last, we have Users module. The Users module is used for system security and user management. It includes forms such as user registration and manage users. It helps in creating users, assigning rights, and managing access to the system. Summing it up, this ERP system integrates accounts, payroll, purchase, sales, inventory, production, and user management into one platform, improving efficiency and ensuring accurate record management. Thank you.